Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. My name is Ian, and today I have an exceptional 2022 Mercedes GLC 300 to share with you. This only has 15,000 original miles, and it's in amazing condition, as we will go over in this video. This vehicle is for sale here at AlphaCars at the date of this video posting. You can reference the listing on our website, alphacars.com. There you'll find the current availability and pricing, if it is still available, along with a bunch of technical data about the car, including the Carfax report and window sticker. We do offer vehicle transportation as well, so keep that in mind. Even if you're not local, but you're looking to purchase this like new GLC, still reach out to our team and we can give you the options there. So in this video, we're gonna do a full condition overview of this GLC, as if you were here in person. We are full transparency here at AlphaCars, that's why we make these videos. And we're gonna go over just some of the standout features as well. This GLC is very well equipped and it has a very luxurious interior. So with all that being said, let's get into the video. First, we're gonna start on the exterior of the GLC. And the paint finish on this car is almost as a new vehicle. We don't like to use that term often, but truly, look at the paint finish on this vehicle. The clear coat is in exceptional condition with little to no road contaminants in it. If you run your finger along this car, it's smooth as glass. It's so nice. Checking out the front bumper now and the headlight lenses, I don't see any sort of major chips or pitting on those. They are crystal clear. And check this out, the front bumper is not drilled for the license plate. So the license plate was never installed on the front, no bumper damage, and you've got the awesome clean looks with no front license plate that us enthusiasts like. But if you do live in a state where you need a front license plate, just talk to our team and we can give you the options there for getting a front plate bracket installed on the GLC. I do want to point out there's the lightest scuff right here, just where my finger is. But once again, reach out to our team if you'd like that touched up, and we can give you the options there for the light paint touch up to make it less noticeable. Moving to the windshield, it is factory Mercedes glass. And it's in really nice shape. Nothing major to report here. I'm not really seeing anything to report there. And this car is a slick top, so to speak. There's no sunroof. So for those that, don't prefer the sunroof, well, then this is the car for you. You don't have to worry about keeping things lubricated or keeping the drains cleaned. There's gonna be no opportunity for leaks or anything like that. And now looking at the driver's side of the vehicle, I'm gonna move the camera up and down the panel as we walk. And yeah, I don't think I'm really seeing any imperfections to report. I don't see any scratches. There's the lightest little sheet metal imperfection just right here. You can see how the lighting reflects a little differently right where my finger is. Other than that, things are looking perfect on this side. Now, at the corner of the rear bumper, taillight, rear hatch, everything is looking awesome back here. A couple of the lightest, it's like 2 dots right here. A couple of the lightest little imperfections from lifting something in the back. But I don't even know if it was coming across on camera. I'm just being extra picky here. There is the little scuff here and just right here. These 2 little spots. Just want to point that out. And now going around to the passenger side. This side of the rear bumper is looking great, as well as the quarter panel. And now going down this side of the panels. And I'm not seeing anything on this side. It literally, you would think it's a new vehicle on the showroom floor if you look down this side. It's unreal. The original owners really cared for this GLC. We've got some nice Pirelli tires on here, and you can check out the wheel condition now. Even look at how clean the rotors are. And lightest little cosmetic imperfection just right here where my finger is. But that's the only thing I see right now on that wheel. Checking out this passenger front wheel, that is looking excellent. Once again, even look at the rotor condition there, even the rotor hat. It's very clean with no corrosion. Now at the driver's front wheel, I'm not seeing any imperfections there. Even look at how clean that brake caliper is. It's awesome. And now we're at the driver's rear wheel. And this one is looking awesome as well. Now let's check out the cargo area as we make our way inside. We've got a full set of factory mats here waiting for us. Check that out. I'll show you each one. This mat does look consistent. This sort of little area here is from the carpet being matted from these kind of being on there. I just want to point that out. And this one's looking good. Of course, the mats are gonna have like the lightest little bit of evidence of use, but you know, not much. Now looking at the cargo area, all the material's in excellent condition. You've got these little switches back here where you can fold down the seats at the pull of the switch. And there is a full set of professional images on our website of this vehicle, and you can even view all the cargo space with the tonneau cover or cargo cover with this removed and the seats folded down. You can see all the room this thing has to offer. And it's nice to see this cargo cover is still with the vehicle. Those many times are taken out and misplaced or not left with the vehicle when they're traded in or sold. It's nice to see. And there is the new storage net there. And it looks like some wheel locks. And this vehicle does have, at the date of this video, the wheel lock key is in the glove box. One-touch operation. Awesome, working smoothly there. And now let's make our way into the GLC. Have some nice sort of brushed aluminum or brushed stainless steel trim. And yeah, all the door edges, I don't see like any damage there. Look at even how clean the hardware is on this door latch component there. Looking into the interior now, the upholstery back here, the material looks excellent. You've even got a center armrest and it has storage in it and cup holders. And you've got some power outlets down here. You've got a couple USB-Cs and the traditional sort of car outlet there. Yeah, carpet's in exceptional condition. We've got our plastic there just protecting it until the vehicle is sold. Now at the driver's side of the back, just to show you from this angle, everything is looking awesome. Black headliner. It's a little dark up there with the late in the day lighting right now, but I will show you the headliner a little better once we're in the vehicle and the camera can adjust. And yeah, this door is looking the same, this door panel. I'm not seeing anything to report there. Now at the passenger front, we've got our controls here, heated seats, and these seats even have the individual underleg support there, which is awesome, especially coming from someone who is a tall person. That makes it extra comfortable, giving you that under leg support. And even the front Mercedes-Benz sill panels here are lit up. A little bit of a reflection in there. But even these door jambs, like look at how clean all these door jambs are. And even getting in and out of the car, there's no scuffing here. Just whoever had the car took extra care in treating it nicely. And center console armrest, center console itself with that wood texture trim, dashboard. This car also has a head-up display, which I'll try to show you when I'm in the driver's seat. And in the glove box here, there is the factory owner's manual and there is a wheel lock key just right there. Now let's make our way to the driver's side and we'll get in and start the vehicle up. Just before we do, let's just check out this door panel. All of our controls here with our memory settings. The passenger seat has the memory settings as well. And yeah, everything's looking really nice here. Once again, illuminated door sill. And yeah, everything is looking excellent. I don't see any wear on the seat to be concerned with. It looks good. Now let's get in and we'll start it up. Foot on the brake, one-touch operation. And we'll just turn down the volume of the radio here for YouTube purposes. And yeah, $15,898 at the time of this video. This car has a lot of customization too with the sort of profiles. There's different dashboard layouts with the digital dash. Ultra cool there. I'm not going to walk you through all that in this video, but just letting you know, this car is a really nice place to be and highly customizable. Now looking at the steering wheel here. From the temperature difference, it's a little cold outside. The camera was fogging up a little bit, but I think it's a little better now. But yeah, this is all looking good. There's really little to no wear in this whole interior. It is exceptional. There's no like scuffing or scratching in here. This works smoothly. You've got ultra clean compartment in here. There's some storage outlet and your cup holders. And you've got your sort of track pad or control pad here to go to different areas. And now the center storage cubby here, which that works nice and smooth. And plenty of room in there. I've got my DJI microphone case in there, the mics I'm using. And let's just take the quick peek at the headliner. It's gonna be a little dark and grainy, I think. But overall, the headliner does look good. There's no major concerns there. And now just before we round out the video by checking out the engine compartment, I just wanna show you the driver assist items. We've got the backup camera here. If you see any lines on the screen, it's just due to the refresh rate. It's actually perfectly good to the human eye. But you've got the 360 view around the car on the left there, and your backup lines, and you can see how it kind of predicts where you're gonna go. And it does have the head-up display as well. Check this out. You can see, I'm trying to get the camera at the right angle. It's clear as day to the human eye, and it's not blinking, of course, due to the refresh rate. But you can see it does have the head-up display there. As I go forward and back, it goes up and down to a mile an hour. So that's ultra cool, having your sort of direction and your speed right up at your eye level. But now let's pop the hood and check out the engine bay. And now at the front of the GLC, we've got the hood popped. And last thing we have to do is just check out the engine compartment. Ultra clean under here. Literally, as I mentioned before, you would think it's a new vehicle. You can see all the fender bolts. They aren't touched or messed with. A testament to the originality. And yeah, you've got the turbocharger right there. But just look at how clean the clamps are, the little Allen bolts, the wiring, ultra clean. Super, super nice, this GLC. So now that we've had the thorough look at the GLC, I want to thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in this vehicle, reference the online listing at alphacars.com. Once you familiarize yourself with that information, feel free to reach out to us for further details, and we can go over options with you regarding shipping if you need. But this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. Please leave a like on this video if you found it helpful, and make sure to subscribe to not miss out on the latest motoring content.